Happy New Year, everyone. Mike Bolger with Miley here. If you're wondering what's actually happening in the Waterloo Region real estate market right now, not the headlines, not the speculation, but what's really happening on the ground, here's your January update. Let's start with the numbers. We're seeing a steady inventory levels compared to last year, but activity remains measured. Homes are taking longer to sell than during the peak years, and buyers are negotiating again. Conditions are back in many cases. Sale prices have stabilized. We're not seeing dramatic drops, but we're also not seeing rapid appreciation. What we're seeing is a balanced, and balance creates opportunity. Well-prepared, well-priced homes are still selling. Overpriced homes are sitting. Strategy matters more than ever. Mortgage rates and buyer psychology. Now let's talk about the rates. Rates have been the biggest driver of hesitation over the past 18 to 24 months. Many buyers are still waiting for clarity from the Bank of Canada. But here's what's interesting. Real estate doesn't wait for the perfect rates. It moves when confidence returns. When we see even a small rate improvement, we could see a surge of buyers who've been sitting on the sidelines. And in Waterloo Region, when momentum shifts, it tends to move real quickly. Why activity feels slower? There's demand, it's just cautious demand. Buyers are careful, sellers are adjusting expectations from 2021 pricing. We're seeing a recalibration phase, and it's not a bad thing, it's a healthy market, and that's what we saw during the frenzy years. Pre-construction and investor updates. We're also seeing pre-construction delays and timeline adjustments. Higher financing costs have affected some projects. This is separating speculative investors from the strategic investors. Long-term fundamentals in the Waterloo Region remain strong. Population growth, rental demand, infrastructure, but short-term patience is required. What do I expect moving forward? My honest take. I believe 2026 will reward prepared buyers and strategic sellers. If rates soften, confidence returns quickly, inventory still structurally limited long term. This activity picks up here and it tends to accelerate fast. This isn't a market crash, it's a positioning market. On a personal note, if you're thinking about buying, selling, investing, or if you want to understand where you stand, let's have a conversation. Every situation is different. Strategy matters more than timing. I've been through multiple cycles in the Waterloo Region for the past over 13 years experience, and the one thing stays true: informed decisions win. Thanks for being part of my community, and I'll see you in the next update.